Tuna pesto pasta is a delicious and easy dish to make. Here is a simple recipe. Ingredients: -8 ounces to 125 grams pasta penne, fusilli, or spaghetti roccole. 1 can 5 us 1 for OG tuna. In olive oil, drained. -3 tablespoons pesto sauce opening parenthesis homemade or store bought. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, salt and pepper toast. Grated parmesan optional, fresh basil leaves, chopped optional, for garnish. Instructions: :1. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot wilt. Cook the pasta till tuning it. Drain and set aside. 2. Preparatedina. While thepastaskan. Hito libiola tertialcas. Admincid garbertan 1 minute until fragrant. 3. Combine ingredients. Add to drained liquid. Break it apart with a spatula or fork and cook for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Add pesto. Stir in the pesto stuli Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes testo thra. 5. Combine pastondes. Add the cucud pesto stwoshadida. To severith and twiglately if the mixture seems, you can add up a boils twuntua. 6. Season answer. Tastensias pundrash touts, if desired. Sprinkle with frishondfin. 7. Serve hot. Dividine to certain list blah. Enjoy orchina pastas. It is saflavorfiction distas.